Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Just put a short video together today, just showing you how to reset the service light on this 2014 Landrover Freelander 2. Now this one's the latest shape, a facelift model with this style dash. Now basically I'll just show you, if we just start it up, just show you the message we've got quick. Just see the service required message on there. And all we're going to do, just to start with, is just turn the ignition off, and then just with your feet off the pedals, press the button just to get it onto stage 2 there. First thing we're going to do, just release the bonnet, just pull the bonnet bolt just to pop it open. Open the driver's door, and then press and hold the accelerator and the brake. We're going to keep both the pedals depressed for 60 seconds. So just skip 60 seconds. After that, just release the pedals. Just going to turn the ignition off. Just going to shut the bonnet, then shut the door. Then we'll just strike it up quick, just to show you the message is cleared. Just done that. If you just strike it up now, and you can just see the service message has been reset now. So it's quite a straightforward reset. It's just different to some of the earlier Freelander 2s, that's all. Now if it doesn't work straight away, you can on these, and it does tell you on the procedure that if it doesn't work first time, just repeat it and try it again. I've had these where sometimes you have to do it a couple or 3 times to get it to work, that's all. But I hope the video helped. If it did, give it a quick thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.